We're very excited to open this box.
What's in it?
We'll never know.
Oh, whoa. That's so small.
He's just a little guy.
Oh my gosh.
That is actually really sick.
Wow.
Dear Braille, I've been a fan of you for a while now, and I really wanted to send you something. I couldn't think of anything until I remembered Five Below sold $5 mini skateboards. What is Five Below?
What? Anything below $5.
So I decided to customize the bottom and send it to you guys. Really enjoy the art. That's why I painted it. Hopefully you have fun writing it. That is really sick. Art Insta at tunage.art. I'm gonna murder this last name. Haley
Warburg.
Warbaugh.
Warbaugh.
Let's go! You make it, we skate it.
With the twist.
What's the twist?
We're not done yet.
We're gonna hack it?
We're hacking it.
Why are we hacking it?
Making it the absolute smallest board we've ever skated.
What's smaller?
The trucks and the wheels.
The wheels are smaller. And
So
the
just
trucks are the same
The
size.
smallest board with the smallest trucks and the smallest wheels.
Wow. First try. Wait, notice that they put these on upside down. Did you notice that?
Interesting.
I didn't think that was possible.
I think this one's actually smaller. Just saying.
That actually looks really sick.
Whoa! Hey, look, you're done.
What happened to your furniture,
It
cuz?
perfectly matches your shirt.
Okay, I want a dirty game right now. Don't keep it clean, keep it mean. Penny board trucks, smallest wheels, smallest board. Let's go.
I would be
Go.
willing to try, but I think if I step on it, it will crumble.
It's gonna break.
Straight to the tray flip, first try.
All right, let's play skate on this thing.
Flat ground game of skate, let's go. Rochambeau. Well,
Great. I can feel it flexing, Aussie. I got $150 and I'm the first one that
Roman.
breaks.
$100 say Daniel's breaking.
Why would you put that on?
I'm part of the circus.
Oh, it's kind of good rolling.
It's so Uji. Everything Uzi does is just the funniest thing ever. What? Bro!
He took off.
How did you break everything?
I'm going fast. Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna lose first.
All right, I'm gonna do a Carlos-sized ollie.
whoa!
I actually popped.
But I'm saying right now, he's gonna win.
Ooh, got the shot.
Yeah, I was gonna do it.
So hard. I didn't know you could fall so hard on such a tiny ollie.
God!
Need a wager on this. All right, Aaron. If I land a kickflip first try, what are you willing to offer?
Well done.
Fair enough. Holy crap! I can freaking double flip that. Ow! My ankle.
Double?
I tried to do a one flip.
That's not okay, dude.
Oh, so I'm out first.
No way. How did you do that?
Gotta feel the aerodynamics of it here.
LOL XD.
I almost had it. You weigh so much, Uzi.
The foot position to do any trick on this tiny board looks like Kelly's normal hard flip foot position.
Gentle. You are now doing a gentle kick. Fakey front shove. I think I'm gonna get out on this, believe it or not. But I'd really like to kickflip it. What kind of person does a fakey front shove?
I do.
What kind of mentality you gotta have to do a fakey front shove? What kind of psycho? What kind of sociopath?
I'm gonna steal Gabe's trick.
That counts, right?
That was good. Dang it. One more try. Just sit down, young man. I'll show you how it's done. I want to break this.
It's because he's only got size 8 shoes.
Oh, he's still on it.
Daniel, I'm losing my mind.
It sounded like many parts of your body like slammed the ground.
It was my right hand, and then my left calf, and then my left elbow.
Ah, man, slow down.
Oh, why do I keep slipping out, dude? Oh, my elbow hurts so bad.
Skunk. That's what I'm going for.
The hardest thing I've ever done in my life, and he's gonna land it. It's alright. Alright, I'm gonna fight fire with fire. Dang it. Oh, now you want a tray flip. Alright, let me get this kickflip out of the way.
Oh!
I got it.
You didn't tail him.
Tail him, Uzi. Tail him.
Hey there, demons. It's me, your boy. My friend Gabe's gonna land this trick right here, and you should let him do that.
Alright. Alright, I guess I just gotta pop off the other side. Ow!
Hard flipperoni. Don't break it! I just gotta give it a little with my toenail. I broke it. I gotta try now.
The front way or the back way?
The front way.
Holy mother. I sat down for one try and then he goes and does that for me. I don't want to fall again. That really hurt my elbow, dude. And it was on this trick. No. Okay.
What was that?
All right, I'll give it one full send. No, that's so scary. Death board.
Hey, you wanna see me punch that in the face?
All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you, each and every single one of you. If you have a good idea to send us an email about it, skate@brailleskateboarding.com. We love to see what you guys come up with. And we want you to learn how to skate. Yes, you, so go to brailleskateboarding.com where you can get everything skateboarding related. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video on the next playlist.